Make a great choice today with the 2022 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror,